Replacing a PCS. Remove the AC power cable from the faulty PCS. Pull out the PCS AC power cable partition plates. Remove the DC power cables from the faulty PCS. Disconnect the female connector of the stop valve of the branch liquid cooling pipe from the male connector. Remove the communications cable from the faulty PCS. Remove the PE cable from the faulty PCS. Take out the PCS fixture. Switch the PCS fixture to the PCS position. Secure the fixture to the ESS. Remove the screws from the faulty PCS. Pull the faulty PCS onto the fixture. Install the lifting handles. Lift the faulty PCS onto a safe place. Take out a new PCS and install the lifting handles. Lift the new PCS onto the PCS fixture. Remove the lifting handles. Slowly push the new PCS into the ESS. Install the screws to secure the new PCS. Remove the screws from the PCS fixture. Remove the fixture. Connect the PE cable from the PCS. Connect the communications cable from the PCS. Install the liquid cooling pipes. Connect the DC power cable from the PCS. Connect the AC power cables from the PCS.